Hey guys, and welcome back to this week's video. This week I'm doing a tutorial with the Blushing Berries palette from Dose of Colors. I got this in my Boxycharm and finally sat down to film with it. I created like a really cute half cut crease. I love how this came out. First, I'm going in with the shade Berry Chic. This is just a really light berry shade. It's super duper pretty. I actually really like this shade to just put all over the eyelid. It looks gorgeous, and it's like a really good transition shade as well. Next, I'm taking Berry Chic and Berry Roseberry and just popping this in the crease. Roseberry is just like a more rosy tone berry shade. I really like this palette. It is different, so different. Next, I'm going in with Mixed Berries, and Mixed Berries is like a deeper kind of brown shade, and I'm just popping that in the crease with the brush that came with the palette. The brush is okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. I'm just really focusing it in the crease. Next, I'm taking my NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm just cutting the crease to kind of give that half cut crease effect. I'm using a INMO brush here. This brush is my favorite for cut creasing because it's just like the perfect stiffness, I guess you could say. Next, I'm taking the shade Berry Pop. This shade is really pretty. It's a gorgeous, like, true berry color. This shade, I don't know if it's the brush I used or what. It was a little patchy, but when I swatched it before doing this tutorial, it wasn't patchy. So just keep in mind that like you might have to build it up a little bit, but this brush also just was not the best brush. Next, I'm going back in with Mixed Berries, and I'm just really putting that on the outer V just to add that depth again because it kind of got lost. Next, I'm taking the three crease shades, which were Berry Chic, Roseberry, and Mixed Berries, and I'm just putting those along the lower lash line. Again, this brush stunk. This end of the brush is no good. The other end is better. So I'm just blending it out and like really smoking it out because it just looks better. Next, I'm taking Berry Black on an angled brush, and I am just applying this to the lash line. I just wanted to use all the shades in the palette. Next, I'm taking my NYX Butter Gloss, and I think this is Eclair for my lips today. I tried so many different lips with this look, you guys, and this one just looked the best. So that's why I went with the nude. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you next week.